Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How have you all been doing? Hope you all are doing good. Today, someone asked me, why is it that you keep saying Baba, Baba, Baba? I don't know why I keep saying that actually. I still remember when I was small. You all know I'm an adopted child, and I was adopted, and I used to stay in a place from where Baba's temple was just 5 minutes of walk, and I have had a very different childhood and a very, I would say, not a very good childhood. But when I was, I think, if I'm not wrong, when I was 6 or 7 years old, I first time went inside the Baba's temple, and when I saw him, I don't know, I felt he's smiling at me. Now I know one thing: if I tell this to my mom, my adopted mom, basically the one who adopted me, she would hit me then and there. So I didn't tell her. Then I was going around the temple, and there is this one Baba, a person who handles that temple. I have told about him also in one two of my videos before. So he gives chocolates to kids over there. He always does that, and I have many times gone to him and got the chocolate, everything. So then I go to him, and then I take the chocolate, and then I stand there, and he looks at me. He tells me, "What happened? You want one more chocolate?" I say, "No, uncle, I don't want one more chocolate. Can I ask you one thing?" Because my mom was sitting near the Dwarka Mai. I tell her that I will go and get this chocolate and come. So he says yes. Then I say, "Uncle, does Baba smile at us?" So he looks at me, and then he smiles, and he says, "Why are you asking this?" I said, I was crying and coming from home, and then I looked at Baba, and I felt as if he smiled at me. He said, "When you were looking at Baba, what were you telling him?" I was telling him, "Why is it that I am being beaten, and why is it that no one loves me?" So he said, "What did Baba tell you?" I said, I felt the way he smiled at me as if he's like, "I am there to love you." He said, "That's it." And I was like, I said, meaning? And he said, "Baba loves you, that's why he smiled at you." So I asked him, "Does he smile at everyone?" So he just told me one thing there. He said, "Whoever speaks to him, or whoever calls his name with love, with devotion, he will speak to them. Whoever always thinks that Baba is only there for me, and Baba can only take care of me, and Baba will always give me unlimited happiness and joy," then Baba speaks to them. Whoever feels happy in hearing his stories, whoever feels happy in seeing his temple, whoever feels happy the moment they see him with that, you know, earning or the earnest look, that will Baba ever speak to me, or will Baba ever love me, then Baba loves them. So he told me, from today onwards, whenever you feel there are issues in your life, call on him, and he's going to come and speak to you. So I asked him, "Should I come to the temple daily?" He said, "No. Wherever you are, if you call him with your pure heart and pure soul, he is going to be there for you." That lesson which that uncle gave me, I started following till date. And till date, whenever, and when I'm saying this, I actually really genuinely mean it, whenever I look at him and I say, "Baba, what is happening?" I see him giving me the answer, and sometimes I see him giving me that smile that it's okay, it's your karma, so you better face it. And I will be like, "All right, point noted, my lord, and I shall not argue on this." And sometimes I do argue, but sometimes I'm like, "Okay, fine, I understood. You're teaching me some karmic lesson, so I just go with the flow." So always, if you are dedicated with him, sing his praises. I always keep telling you people, why don't you share your stories? Why don't you write your miracles down here in the YouTube channel when you see this video? Because even Baba has said, those who share my stories, those who love me, those who call on me, those who believe in me, and those who earnestly sing about me, I shall make them stronger and powerful, and I shall always be there with them, and I shall fulfill all their wishes. And that is the reason I keep telling you all. Chalo, now I think enough of story I have given for today. Let's pull a card. The mask. Recognize the reality behind the mask. I didn't understand this, so I'm going to pick one more card. Okay, bountifulness. So basically, Baba is saying, you always, maybe some of you always keep thinking why we are not prospering in life, why we are still suffering in life, why us, why us, why us. So he's saying, have the faith, because Baba will see to it that he will give you what you want. It is just that you have to remove the mask of that sorrowness from your face and bring in the smile and faith that Baba is there, and he is going to be there for you, and he is going to help you, and he is going to make you to come out of the issue that you're facing right now. And I'm sure Baba will help you. That much I know. Baba will never give up on us. See, the last card, synthesis. All truly spiritual paths lead to the God. So follow the path. So just follow him. I would say sit like this in front of Baba. Put your arms in front and tell him, Baba, I don't know. This is the issue I'm facing, and you better sort it out for me. You better sort it out for me, because you have no choice. I am your child and you have to help me. Today, wear the color orange. I don't know why I feel orange. Wear the color orange, and today, if possible, offer Baba oranges and feed a stray dog as usual. And those oranges you can have with your family. And have a beautiful and a Baba blessed day. Om Sai Ram.